In the previous video, we mentioned there are several ways to collect information from customers. It would be great to spend a few minutes and learn more about these techniques here. Typically, we can obtain information that is qualitative or quantitative. If we interact with customers and ask about their opinion, these are qualitative insights. But if they fill an online survey and rank product features by importance, assigning a score from 1 to 10, that's clearly quantitative data. There are a few ways to collect qualitative data. We can do it with personal, in-depth interviews, focus groups, or the so-called projective techniques. In-depth are a qualitative method, which helps marketers understand how people perceive a product when they hear about it. Questions are open-ended and allow customers to explain their point of view and discuss with other participants. However, we should know that participants could be influenced by the setting and by other participants. Hence, their answers could be biased. The length of these sessions is between 1 and 2 hours, and participants are usually compensated for their time. Projective techniques are interviews in which the person interviewed is unaware of the purpose of the conversation. They don't know if they're interviewed by a firm selling shoes, jeans, or hats. The purpose of the research is disguised, and respondents are frequently asked to interpret other people's behavior. When they do, they will indirectly share their true beliefs, values, and passions. Examples of projective techniques are words association, consumer drawing, sentence completion, picture responses, and so on. The main advantage of projective techniques is that the answers provided by respondents are unbiased. However, this is a rather costly method, as only highly trained marketers can apply it and obtain value from it. Quantitative data is easier to collect, especially today, when there are thousands of consumers online. The main techniques to obtain quantitative data are through observation and surveys. It's easy to imagine how the observation technique functions, right? Following up on our example from earlier, Tesla representatives could meander around houses, gas stations, parking lots, and observe how people who own $30,000 cars behave. They should look for specific factors, such as how many people are riding in the car, how important is its size, how many miles per day are these cars usually used for, what is the typical driving behavior of the people who own these cars. This is an expensive but powerful method of obtaining insights and information. Nowadays, observational techniques are even easier to implement. Some shopping malls connect with customers' devices and analyze their shopping patterns. In addition, they use this data to send them offers with promotions for stores they have previously visited. I'm sure you know Google does it too, right? Internet giants can collect huge amounts of data that describe our online behavior, and then they use these data to offer us ads for airplane tickets, hotels, shopping tours, and so on. Today, customer observation has become one of the predominant marketing research techniques. But as we mentioned earlier, the other way to obtain quantitative data from customers is by creating a survey with several questions. These are typically close-ended questions that are easy to quantify, easy to aggregate and interpret. Surveys are an inexpensive way of contacting people and trying to quantify their needs. The drawback is they will only answer the questions in the survey. Their qualitative opinions will remain hidden. Okay, excellent. This is how we can collect primary data for marketing research. Thanks for watching.